how to make a Facebook page for business. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can make a Facebook page for business, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to make a Facebook page for business, first of all log into your normal Facebook account. Now after we do this, we want to go and create a Facebook page for our business. It's very simple. Tap the three lines option from the top right hand side of the screen, then just go to the option called pages. Now we can begin creating our page by tapping the create option here, tapping on get started, simply going ahead and then entering the page name that you would like to enter over here. And once you've done that, you can tap on the next option and then just make sure to enter a page name. Once you do this, you can choose a category for your page. Tap on the create option and you can go ahead and enter other details such as entering your profile picture, what your business is about and what your business contact information is about. And once you've done that, your page will get successfully created, just like many of these pages that you can find right over here. This way you can make a Facebook page for business. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.